today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues with Microsoft OneNote, specifically if it's not responding, starting, or opening properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up the search menu and type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side in the apps list field, go ahead and type in Office. Best match should come back on Microsoft Office. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. We're going to select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Go ahead and select the Repair option. So it's going to ask you if you're ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Office programs until we're done. Select Repair. And once it's done, it should say done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs with just closing out of everything and then attempting to launch the OneNote application and see if your problem has been resolved. If you're still having an issue, you can come back in here and then in the apps field, again, search for Office and then select the Office application from the list and then select Modify. Again, select yes if you receive user account control prompt. And this time we're going to select online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Select the repair button and it's going to say ready to start an online repair. We'll download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. Select the repair button and give this some time to run here. So once you have the screen that says you're all set, Office is installed now, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And now you want to go ahead and just open up OneNote and you should see it should work just fine. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.